Yo, check it out! Have you ever seen something so fascinating in nature that it just stops you in your tracks? Well, get ready to be amazed, because we're about to dive into the world of one of the most extraordinary creatures on the planet. Imagine a salamander, but pink. Not just any pink, but a vibrant, almost otherworldly shade that makes it look like it swam straight out of a fantasy novel. Not just any pink, like screaming neon pink. It's like someone took a highlighter and brought it to life. This creature is none other than the pink axolotl. This ain't no cartoon, this is the pink axolotl. A real-life wonder that seems too magical to be true, but it gets even better. This little dude is already a superhero, regrowing its legs like it's nothing. Imagine losing a limb and just growing it back, no big deal. That's everyday life for an axolotl. But get this, it can even regrow parts of its heart and brain. Scientists are baffled and inspired by this ability. It's like having the healing powers of Wolverine but in a much cuter package. It's like Wolverine but way cuter. With its feathery gills and perpetual smile, the axolotl is a real-life superhero that looks like it's always ready for a photo shoot. Sadly, these awesome creatures are super endangered. Their natural habitat is shrinking rapidly due to urbanization and pollution. Their home is shrinking, polluted, and full of bullies. Invasive species and human activities are making it harder for them to survive. But don't worry, there's hope. Conservationists and scientists are working tirelessly to protect these pink wonders. From breeding programs to habitat restoration, efforts are being made to ensure their survival. Scientists and conservationists are working hard to protect these pink wonders. They are studying the axolotl's unique abilities to unlock secrets that could benefit medical science and help save the species. And you can help too. By supporting conservation efforts and spreading awareness, we can all play a part in saving this incredible species. So next time you see a picture of a pink axolotl, remember it's not just a cute face, it's a superhero in need of our help. Deep in Mexico, near the crazy, busy Mexico City, there's a watery wonderland called the Xochimilco Lake Complex. This place is a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and nature, all woven together in a stunning aquatic landscape. The Xochimilco canals are not just any ordinary waterways, they are a living testament to the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. These canals were originally created by the Aztecs, who transformed the area into a thriving agricultural hub, using a unique system of floating gardens known as chinampas. Today, these canals continue to be a vital part of the local community, providing a source of livelihood and a place for recreation and tourism. This ain't your average lake, it's like a maze of canals and islands packed with weird and wonderful creatures. The biodiversity here is simply astounding. From the vibrant bird species that flit through the trees to the unique aquatic life that thrives in the waters, Xochimilco is a haven for nature lovers. The canals are home to a variety of fish, amphibians, and plants, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. It's a place where you can truly feel the pulse of nature, where every corner reveals a new and fascinating aspect of the ecosystem. It's so special, UNESCO made it a World Heritage Site. This designation is a testament to the cultural and natural significance of Xochimilco. It recognizes the area's unique blend of human ingenuity and natural beauty, and it underscores the importance of preserving this incredible place for future generations. The World Heritage status brings with it a responsibility to protect and conserve the canals and their surroundings, ensuring that they remain a vibrant and thriving part of the local and global heritage. This is where our pink buddy, the axolotl, lives. The axolotl is one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. Known for its ability to regenerate lost body parts, this unique amphibian has captured the imagination of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. In Xochimilco, the axolotl finds a perfect habitat, with the clean, clear waters providing an ideal environment for it to thrive. However, the axolotl is also a symbol of the challenges facing Xochimilco, as its survival is closely tied to the health of the ecosystem. But sadly, Xochimilco is in trouble. The once pristine waters are now threatened by pollution and environmental degradation. Trash and industrial waste have found their way into the canals, disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The water quality has deteriorated, making it difficult for many species to survive. The pollution not only affects the wildlife but also poses a risk to the local communities that depend on the canals for their livelihood. Pollution and habitat loss are messing things up for the axolotl and its neighbors. The destruction of natural habitats has led to a decline in biodiversity, with many species struggling to adapt to the changing conditions. The once thriving chinampas are now under threat, as urbanization and agricultural expansion encroach on the wetlands. The loss of these habitats has a ripple effect, impacting not just the wildlife but also the cultural heritage of the area. Even the Mexican water lily is struggling. This iconic plant, which once flourished in the canals, is now facing a fight for survival. The polluted waters and habitat destruction have taken a toll on the water lilies, which are an important part of the ecosystem. The decline of the water lilies is a stark reminder of the broader environmental challenges facing Xochimilco. The future of this magical place is hanging by a thread. Conservation efforts are underway, but much more needs to be done to protect and restore Xochimilco. Local communities, environmental organizations, and government agencies are working together to address the challenges, but the road ahead is long and difficult. The fate of Xochimilco depends on our collective efforts to preserve its unique heritage and ensure that it remains a vibrant and thriving ecosystem for generations to come. Most salamanders grow up, lose their gills, and live on land, not the axolotl. This quirky little guy stays young forever, keeping its feathery gills and baby face. It's called neoteny. Imagine staying a kid forever. Well, not forever. Axolotls live for 10 to 15 years if you keep them safe, growing up to 12 inches long. That's one long childhood. Remember Wolverine? Heals instantly, regrows limbs, the whole 9 yards. The axolotl is basically his twin. These little guys don't just regrow limbs, they can regrow parts of their heart, brain, and spine. It's like some crazy sci-fi stuff. Scientists are all over this. They're studying the axolotl, hoping to figure out how to help humans heal better. Imagine regrowing your own organs. The possibilities are mind-blowing. Saving the pink wonder. This vibrant, amazing creature is a symbol of hope, but it's also a reminder that life is precious. With less than 50 left in the wild, it's on the edge. But people are working hard to protect them. Groups like Moja AC are building a conservation center in Xochimilco National Park. They're planning sustainable farming, planting trees, and getting the community involved. Unlocking the secrets of regeneration. How do they do it? How do axolotls regrow entire body parts? Scientists have been trying to figure that out for ages. They're studying the axolotl's genes, looking for the secret code. One cool discovery is positional information. Axolotl cells remember where they belong, so a new leg grows in the right spot. This research could change everything for human medicine. Captivity's impact, a mixed bag. Axolotls have been bred in captivity for almost 100 years. This has helped to boost their numbers and make people aware of them. But there's a catch. Captive breeding has mixed in genes from tiger salamanders. This means captive axolotls are genetically different from their wild cousins. While captive breeding is useful, it's super important to protect the wild ones too. Axolotls, ambassadors for conservation. With its cute face and superpowers, the axolotl is a natural star. It's become a symbol for conservation, helping to raise money and awareness for protecting Xochimilco. Ecotourism is a big help. When you visit Xochimilco and learn about the axolotl, you help the local economy and support conservation. Everybody wins. The Rainbow Connection axolotl colors and quirks. Axolotls are fascinating creatures not just because of their unique regenerative abilities but also due to their vibrant and diverse colorations. Let's dive into the colorful world of these amazing amphibians. Wild axolotls are usually brown or tan, blending in with their surroundings. This natural camouflage helps them stay hidden from predators in their native habitats, which are the lakes and canals of Mexico City. Their earthy tones make them almost invisible in the muddy waters they call home. But in captivity they come in all sorts of colors, black, which can look quite striking against the backdrop of an aquarium. These black axolotls are often a favorite among enthusiasts for their sleek and mysterious appearance. White, golden albino, and of course pink. The white axolotls, often referred to as leucistic, have a ghostly beauty, while the golden albinos shine with a radiant glow. The pink ones, with their rosy hue and red gills, are perhaps the most iconic and beloved. These bright colors come from genetic changes, bred by axolotl fans. Breeders have selectively bred axolotls to enhance these unique colorations, creating a rainbow of varieties that are now available to enthusiasts around the world. Each color variant has its own charm and appeal. Even though they don't have real teeth, axolotls are good hunters. They use a suction method to capture their prey, creating a vacuum in their mouths to draw in food. This method is highly effective in their aquatic environment. They suck up their food and even swallow gravel to help them digest. The gravel helps grind up the food in their stomachs, aiding in the digestion process. This quirky behavior is just one of the many fascinating aspects of axolotl biology. Axolotls, tiny teachers, big discoveries. The axolotl isn't just cute, it's a scientific goldmine. Scientists are studying them to understand special cells called neural crest cells. These cells are important for face development, skin color, and the nervous system. This research can help us understand human birth defects and some types of cancer. The axolotl's ability to regenerate without scars is also super interesting for stem cell research. Pink axolotls, a call to action. The pink axolotl is a reminder of how amazing nature is. But it's also a wake-up call. Habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species are a big threat. We can all do our part. Support conservation groups, spread the word, and be mindful of how we impact the environment. The future of the pink axolotl and our planet depends on it.